Okay, everyone. Now, this lecture, I wanted to focus a bit on marketing. I haven't talked at all about marketing. Here's the thing. Whether you're doing this massage course or these massage courses of mine for, for a hobby, for a bit of extra money, or you want to make it your profession, this year, I really want to help you. You've got the material there, but I want to help you. But let's put it this way. The worst thing I ever did was work for someone, doing 9 to 5, having to go to a Monday morning, 9 to 5, get told by the boss what to do, make all the money in the spa or the clinic for them, and me just kept struggling. So I want for you, if this is your goal, is for you to make money. If you want to get rid of your job, work for yourself so you can be with your children more if you've got children, so you can have your own hours, so you can work from home like I do, so that you can then be in control and make a lot more money, all right? So this is one of the reasons I wanted to talk about marketing, because I haven't mentioned this at all yet. And I want to tell you just some of the little things that I do that have been really, really successful with me. Now, okay, so here's something that's really great is MailChimp. If you don't already have it, we'll just click onto this. This is MailChimp here. Now, these are the campaigns that I put out. Now, what I did was this. You get people to sign up for, I made it a VIP list. This is what I did. You can go through Facebook friends, ask people to sign up for your VIP list or preferred members, whatever you want to call it. And so you get a list of people, and what I did was tell them that they'd get discounts on treatments, any specials, and that would be sent out to them first. So that's exactly what I did. And this is when I first started here. You can see 290 subscribers. Now you can see I've got a very large open rate. Normally you expect opens about 25%. So this is what I do. And when it comes to marketing, whether you're going to be marketing, and we'll talk about this in a second, whether it's Facebook or what have you, you want to do it regularly. All right, you want to drip feed, constantly drip feed, keep people excited about it. So and the other thing you don't want to do is just do special. So if we go down here, and now this one I just entitled Sorry, and you can see it's got over 50% opened. Now, it's a catchy title. I think it's up here. Yeah, in fact, that's what the title was. Oops, this is embarrassing. So all these people, now it gets people to open them. So these catchy sort of titles are good. And it was about, I've just been made aware by a couple who received no answer from me after sending me emails. Yeah, it was nothing much, but I just got them to open up and tell them I'm a tech guy's on the job, so everyone's looked after. You're creating rapport with your clients. And then I put in some specials. Feel the difference, see the difference. Different 8 massage and packages. So I did a special here. Let's say we have 8 massage and facial specials. Yeah, so okay. Here's another trick with marketing, scarcity. All right. So there's only 8, so get back to me as quickly as you can. And I think it was true. We just didn't have that many spaces. All right. So I put out a special here. There are other ones, health myths, sitting risks. So you're giving your clients not only specials, but you don't want to bombard them with specials. You want to give them your articles. This is an article on sciatica, one on back pain, detoxification, and you see the amount of opens here, 30%. You see what's more popular. So this is a really great way to, if you're quiet one week, you send out a special, and these people feel special because they're getting maybe a bit of extra time. So maybe you do 45 minutes for the price. 65 minutes. 75 minutes for the price of 60, or 45 for the price of 30. Whatever. You can give them extra time or a discount. A little bit off there. So again, they feel special, and they're in this sort of club of the VIP. And I don't charge anyone to be in that. I don't think it's necessary. You're already looking after them. The other thing I do, I have a Facebook page here, and you'll see here what I do. Okay, where are we? Here's the TripAdvisor. I have a TripAdvisor page, and what I do whenever I get 5-star review, 5-star reviews, so great healing effects. So what I do is I just copy and paste all of these. When they come out, I copy and paste them, and I put them on my Facebook page so that you have all your friends liking your page. Once again, it's drip feeding. They just see this, oh, look at this. Hey, that'd be a good idea. Let's go get a massage. So that you always keep them in the, you're always in the light for them, okay? Just more here. Here's an article from the New York Times. No, you do not have to drink 8 glasses of water a day. I've been saying this for years. It's a myth. It is a myth. Massage therapy for lower back pain. So there's articles. What evidence is there? There's a lot of evidence, by the way, but I want to do an article on that. No such thing as detoxing. Yes, there's another myth. This is so as you can see, turmeric is effective as 14 drugs. So as you can see, people are getting good information. So they're getting to know you, what what sort of person you are, your thoughts about your business, and then you can also put on the TripAdvisor reviews and of course put out specials as well. So these are just some things that I've found really, really helpful. So get yourself a VIP list on MailChimp. MailChimp here, by the way, is free. So you don't have to pay for that at all. It's a fantastic thing, and there's lots of detailed reports, that sort of thing. Very easy. So a Facebook page, MailChimp, you can mail out to your clients through their emails, and you're always just, as I say, keep regularly marketing to people. These are a couple of little things that I've done very, very successfully to fill the spa. So MailChimp, you can get a Facebook page. If you've got a place, you could do a TripAdvisor, and then you link all three together. You put your TripAdvisor button on your Facebook page, so everything interlinks. Your MailChimp, you can get people what I've got. Let's have a look here. So here's the TripAdvisor reviews. Join our VIP list. Okay, so you link them all up, and that way it's a really good way. I've got my website here, Booketti Massage. So you can see it's a very good way of just keeping people connected. And I got the Certificate of Excellence Award from this year as well, or last year, 2016. This year's hasn't come out. So these are some of the little tricks that I do. I say tricks. It's a great way for marketing, because once again, I want to help you now. You've got my courses. I want to help. I'm going to start helping you with marketing. Please let me know if there's something I can do better that you feel, or there's information that I haven't given you that you want to know more about. And I will help you. So if this is what you want to do as a career, I will help you so you don't have to have a job anymore. You can quit your job, work for yourself, and as you probably already know, anywhere between $40 to $80 to $100 an hour for your massage. It doesn't take long for the figures to add up. And it's a beautiful industry to work in, and there's nothing better than working for yourself. So let me know if I can do anything better, if I can help you any more, you want more information, and I'm right on it for you.